In this short video, I'll guide you on how to delete your Google account permanently on both computer and mobile device. Permanently deleting your Google account and all its data is a significant step, and I'll show you exactly how to do it safely and correctly, making sure you understand what you're deleting. I've seen some videos explaining this, including those by Kerr TV, Rare iTech, and Upcoming World, but they sometimes gloss over the differences between PC and mobile or don't stress enough the finality of permanent deletion. So, I've put together this clear and concise guide to cover both methods thoroughly. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. First, let's look at how to delete Google account from computer. To begin, open your web browser like Chrome and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in if you aren't already. On the left-hand menu, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the More Options section and click on Delete your Google account. You may need to re-enter your password for security. Review the information carefully. This page will detail all the data and services that will be deleted, including your Gmail, YouTube channel, Google Drive, photos, and more. Scroll down and acknowledge the terms by checking both boxes. Finally, click on the blue Delete Account button. You should see a confirmation message stating that your Google account and all its data have been deleted. It might also mention a short period during which you could potentially recover your account if you changed your mind. Now let's continue with how to delete Google account on a mobile phone, starting with Android. To remove Google account from Android, open the Gmail app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Swipe across the top tabs and tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to More Options and tap on Delete your Google account. You might need to enter your password. Read the information about what will be deleted. Scroll down, check the 2 confirmation boxes, then tap Delete account. Now, let's see how to delete Google account from iPhone. Open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down to More Options and tap on Delete your Google account. You may be asked to enter your password. Review the list of data and services that will be permanently deleted, then scroll down and check the 2 acknowledgement boxes and tap Delete account. A crucial reminder: permanently deleting your Google account is an irreversible action. Once you delete it, you will lose access to all associated Google services and data, including your Gmail, YouTube channel, and more. Make absolutely sure you have backed up everything important before proceeding with the final deletion steps on either your PC or mobile device. To explore more Gmail video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.